morning, friend. My name is Aliza. I come from Lamongan. Today, I would like to tell you about my city. I live in Lamongan. Lamongan is one of the cities in the east of East Java, Indonesia. It lies in west of Surabaya. It's approximately 40 kilometers from Surabaya. It's close to Gresik, Bojonegoro, and Tuban. Lamongan is popular with the city of Islamic boarding school because in Lamongan there are many Islamic boarding schools such as Al-Islah Islamic Boarding School, Modern Islamic Boarding School, and many more. Lamongan also popular with the city of tourism. There are many beautiful places and tourist destinations such as WBL, Marani Zoo and Cave, Gondang Reservoir, and many more. The authentic food from Lamongan is boran rice and soto Lamongan. The main product from Lamongan is fish. There is no airport in my city, and Dr. Fadli is the legend. Okay friend, whenever you go to East Java, don't forget to visit my city. Thank